Hello dear students, in this video part 2 of statistics we will be going to learn to calculate mod of group data and median of group data. So let us start with the mod of group data. Mod of group data cannot be calculated easily or observed by the frequency of the table only. We have to calculate mod of group data using a certain formula. Here you can observe that family size, which is nothing but a class interval, and number of family will be a frequency of the table. So by observing frequency we can't predict mod directly. So to get the mod of group data, first we should know, or we have to calculate model class. Model class is that class which has highest frequency, If you observe the above table, the model class is this. So 3 to 5 is model class, and this is the number of families. Highest frequency is 8. So that's why the model class is 3 to 5. Now we will see the formula of finding mod of group data, where we will know each term. I am not going in detail of derivation of this formula because it is out of syllabus. You should not take care about the derivation. You have to learn the formula and apply it directly. So in applying the formula we should know each term. So the formula of finding mod of group data is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So let us understand all the terms used here in this formula. We should know first what are the terms used here, and then we will calculate the mod of above table. Here L is lowest limit of model class, and if you observe here the model class is 3 to 5, so lowest limit is L is equal to 3. Next F1 is frequency of model class, So frequency of model class is 8 according to the given table. F0 is frequency preceding the model class. Just first, so frequency of just our model class is 7. F2 frequency of succeeding the model class, succeeding class interval of model class है ना, succeeding the model class, just frequency after the model class, that is 2. And H is already we know, that is height of the class interval, So here H is upper limit minus lower limit of class interval, that is 2. You can observe here 5 minus 3, 3 minus 1, 7 minus 5. Now we will apply the formula of value on this formula, and we will get the mod. So mod is equal to L is equal to 3 plus F1 minus F0, 8 minus 7 divided by 2 into 8 minus 7 minus 2 into h, that is equal to 2. You will have 3 plus 1 upon 16 minus 9, that is 7 into 2. So that is equal to 7 3 21, 21 plus 2 23 by 7, that is equal to 7 3 21, 3 21 2, 7 2 14, 6, so 3.28 approx. So this is the mod of the. Dear students, we already calculate mod of the group data. Now we comes to median of group data. Median of ungrouped data we calculated in class 9th, where for odd number of data median will be n plus 1 by 2. If odd number of data, odd number of observation, then median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. And we already know that to calculate median we have to first arrange the data in ascending order, and if data is in odd number or number of observation is odd, then the median is 1. If even, then median is the average of n by 2 plus 1th observation and n by 2 divided by 2. So this observation, this is the average of 2 observation if we have even number of observation. Now comes to median of group data. Median of group data is calculated through a formula, and that formula required cumulative frequency. So why we need cumulative frequency here? Because to calculate the median we need a median class, and median class is a class which has the cumulative frequency higher than n by 2. Here n is the number of observation. Please understand this. Median class is a class which has higher cumulative frequency, just higher than n by 2. Here n is number of observation is 30 sigma fi, that is 15. So the class which has cumulative frequency just higher than 15 will be the median class. So first we will calculate cumulative frequency, and cumulative frequency can be calculated as 2 plus 3 5 plus 7 12 plus 6 18 plus 6 24 plus 6 30. So this is the cumulative frequency. Now the median class is the class which has higher frequency, cumulative frequency than 15. So this is the median class. So for our table, median class is 55 to 70, right? Now we will see formula of finding. Formula of median class is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into h. Let us see what is L and what is other terms. So L is equal to lower limit of median class, n by 2 is equal to number of total observation or frequency divided by 2. Cumulative frequency, CF is here cumulative frequency of preceding median class, just above the median class. F is the frequency of median class, and h is the class size or height of the class size or height of the class. Let us see what are these value as per the given table. Here lower limit of median class is L is equal to 55. Since median class is 55 to 70, so lower limit of median class is 55. N by 2 we already calculated, that is 15. 30 by 2, that is 15 sigma fi by 2. Next, cumulative frequency just preceding the median class is 12. This is just preceding the median class, 12. Frequency of the median class is 6. Frequency of median class, they are asking frequency, not cumulative frequency, so frequency is 6. Next, class size is 15. Now apply these values in the formula and get the median of the above table. So median is equal to L plus L is 55 plus N by 2 15 minus cumulative frequency 12 by frequency of median class 6 into height or h, height of the class, that is 15. So we have 55 plus 15 minus 12, 3 by 6, 1 by 2 plus 15. So 15 by 2, 7.5 plus 55, that is 62.5. So this is the median of the class. So dear students, we understand the median of group data, and we already observed the previous one, that is mod of the group data. This will cover complete NCERT of statistics chapter. Now you can start solving question of NCERT book. Thank you.